Kombucha tea is a fermented drink made with black tea, sugar, bacteria, and yeast. To make the drink, bacteria and yeast must first grow together to form a culture. The culture is added to the sugar and tea. Then the mix is allowed to ferment. The end result is a liquid that has vinegar, B vitamins, and many other types of acids, including amino acids. These bacteria and acids form a film on top of the liquid called a SCOBY, symbiotic colony of bacteria and yeast. You can use a SCOBY to ferment more kombucha. Kombucha does contain antioxidants, so it can be a source of nutrients along with your regular intake of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and other plant foods and drinks like tea. Antioxidants are compounds found in food that help protect your body. They can help reduce inflammation, support your immune systems, and reduce DNA damage. They also may help reduce your risk for diseases like cancer. You can get probiotics through kombucha, but it should not replace the probiotics you get from a healthy plant-based diet. The best way to get probiotics is through food, and kombucha may be a good source along with yogurt and other fermented products like sauerkraut. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy gut, which is important for your overall health, especially your immune system. Kombucha does contain some alcohol, so avoid it if you are concerned about your intake. The alcohol is created in the fermenting process, and in some types of kombucha, it is high enough to make the drink considered an alcoholic beverage. For cancer prevention, it is best not to drink alcohol. Supporters claim that kombucha tea helps prevent and treat health conditions, from blood pressure to cancer. There is limited data on kombucha tea. A small amount of research suggests that kombucha tea may give benefits similar to probiotic supplements. In short, there isn't enough proof that kombucha tea has the health benefits that some claim. At the same time, cases of harm have been reported. People who are pregnant or breastfeeding or who have weakened immune systems should avoid kombucha tea. Others may drink the tea if they like the taste, but only if it comes from a trusted source. Making kombucha involves letting bacteria grow in a liquid you're going to drink. Many of the bacteria are considered probiotics, but if it's not prepared properly, it can grow harmful bacteria or mold. Since the mid-1990s, several cases of illness and at least one death have been reported in people who drank kombucha. Ailments included liver problems, lactic acidosis, a buildup of lactic acid in the body, allergic reactions, and nausea. Thank you for watching. Hopefully useful.